Hey MLO fans, Matt here with Mainline Overland. I'm coming to you from our Charlotte, North Carolina location where we just wrapped up this 2020 Toyota Tundra with some new improvements and mods that really make this a killer rig. Alright, so let's talk suspension. We went with the Dobinsons suspension system on this Toyota Tundra. That's comprised of front struts and coil springs appropriately rated for the additional weight that we're going to be running accessory-wise. It also is comprised of rear shocks and a full leaf spring pack to replace the factory parts. Now it's important to note, we don't want just a leveling kit. We don't want to just bring that front end up level with the rear end because that's not going to really perform the best when we do throw all that weight and gear on this vehicle, as most overlanders do. So we went with the upgraded options for the leaf spring pack and the front coils, and we have that trim built in so that as we load this vehicle up, it'll level out and perform and be safe in wet conditions or whatever you're going to throw out on the trails. So we can see it's got a great aggressive stance and it handles superbly. We also have SBC upper control arms with adjustability so we can dial in that alignment precisely to make sure we're not going to have any rubbing with these bigger wheel and tires. This customer went with the Icon titanium rebound wheels wrapped in 35 by 12.5 by 17 Toyo Open Country tires. Now this is a larger, more aggressive tire size for the Tundra. In order to fit these without rubbing, we did use the SPC upper control arms to really dial in that alignment, high caster, and bringing that wheel forward in the wheel well. We also did use a spacer kit to actually shift the bumper forward slightly, gaining more clearance in the front end as we move that wheel forward. There was some other trimming and massaging we did to the inner fender liners and things like that to make this work, but we were able to dial the alignment in so we're not getting rubbing on that back body mount. Now, we can always do a body mount chop, but we'd prefer not to if we don't have to. So save yourself some time and effort, and we can massage things in other ways to make this work and perform great out on the trails. Another accessory that we added to this Tundra were the Victory off-road sliders. Now these are bolt-on and frame-mounted, heavy duty, so they'll add protection for the rocker panels out on the trails, as well as giving us another option for getting in and out of the vehicle easily now that it's lifted. That wraps up our walkthrough of this 2020 Tundra. It's important to note we like to start with the wheels and tires and suspension on any overland build to really provide a solid foundation to throw the additional accessory weight at the vehicle and handle it safely. For more information on all the vehicle accessories we threw at this Tundra, check it out in our description below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more awesome overland content.